Higurashi When They Cry was a video game series which was a North American release of an anime adaptation. It is a Japanese murder mystery of visual novel series produced in 7th expansion. So before the anime came out, the game was already there. So Higurashi When They Cry is actually a game and then it is converted into an anime. But the anime name and the game name is not same. The anime name is Higurashi no Naku Koro ni Kai 2007. So why I am saying this 2007 is because the new version of this anime is released in 2020. That means now it is getting released. The first episode of second version, I mean remake of this anime, was released on 2nd October. Higurashi When They Cry is a crime mystery thriller drama anime which was released in 2007. So after almost 13 years they are making a remake of this anime. The anime is based on a group of friends living in Hinamizawa, a rural village held captive by a cruel bloody legacy. That means there is a murderer in between the villagers and who is killing all the people. I haven't seen that anime yet, so don't just jump on me because ruining the plot. I don't know anything about it. I haven't seen it yet, but I'm gonna watch it because I'm currently watching Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood. After I complete this, I'm gonna jump to Higurashi When They Cry and I'm gonna get a review for you guys on a separate video. But let's talk about this new release of Higurashi no Naku Koro ni, that means Higurashi When They Cry new. Till now only first episode has been released, but still they have managed to reach 7.5 rating on my anime list. I think the storyline of 2020 version is going to be same as 2007 version, but just the animation quality is going to be a lot better. But I think personally the 2007 version was a better version of animation, better quality of animation, which was suitable for the mood of this anime, because the animation they are creating in 2020 version is kind of glossy and it doesn't suit the kind of thriller and mystery genre of anime. And there are already more than 89,000 members on my anime list for this 2020 version of this anime. This 2020 version is going to get animated by Funimation, so I think it's gonna be a little good. Even though it has some kind of glossy look, I don't think they will keep that look till the end, because as the anime will turn into much more darker environment into few next episodes, so I think they will change a little bit kind of animation in the few episodes. And they haven't told when the next episode is going to get released of this anime, of this 2020 version. But before we end this video, I would like to tell you guys that the characters, not the characters but the plot of this anime was actually based on true story. There is a actual village called as Hinamizawa and there was a bloody cruel murderer in that village, and it is based on real story. So I think you should watch this anime if you haven't yet. I'm gonna watch this too. So yeah, that was it guys. If you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for daily anime recommendations, top 10, top 5 listings, and lots of anime content. And yeah, that's it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.